swear.
You don't drive in the rain, do you?
No. No.
Promise to God, I've never been in a car that felt like this before. I've never been in a car that felt like this before. God damn. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Incredible Joe back at again another video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so that you can get these videos first. You can like first, you can comment first. And this is the second video today. Hey, bro. I know y'all heard that real thing behind y'all, right?
Oh, yeah, that was crazy, man. I was like, shit, I'm jealous. What? Shit.
Don't ever let people just lie to y'all like this. Don't ever let folks just sit there and lie to y'all, bro. But nah, hey, I ain't gonna lie. At one point, I thought I had almost kind of got like lost because I forgot that the Volkswagen was with. Are you trying to get me demonetized, bro? You don't really fuck me like that, do you? Come on, bro. You lied to me about my car and said it sound good. Now you trying to get me out of the game.
I don't know, I lied.
You did.
I didn't lie.
You did. That's like a participation trophy. Cause yours sound good though. Yours sound good from behind you. I don't know if you heard anybody else drive your car, but it sounds good. You know what I'm saying? So.
It's deep. It's real deep. That's
Yeah,
what I was going.
the dude in the convertible BMW behind you, he was smiling. He liked it.
That's all I did.
He liked it.
Yeah. I was going for the H-Pipe. The H-Pipe give you that real deep tone. I was like, the X-Pipe go with his shit. And I like the way his shit sound, but it ain't that good. But the H-Pipe
He said it ain't that good.
Yeah, H-Pipe different. It's like a real deep tone. You get straight pipe, you get to the end. When them quad exhausts go out.
The only thing about the X-Pipe though, I think it's better for performance though.
Yeah, that's it. I'm going for sound. I ain't trying to be the fastest.
White pipe?
That's a different story for a different day.
Oh, by the way, I'm just gonna show you the tablet inside a Savage car. Let me see. Go ahead and get in there. That's the screen that I was telling y'all about. That's probably, it's gonna be something like that. I don't know if it can go directly to the same screen, but something like that. So, like I said, and by the way, this is a twin turbo Mustang. We will be taking a ride in this today because this is probably the route that I'm going. I don't know if I'm going twin turbo or I'm going big single. With it being a drag car, I mean, I know the twins are spool fast, but I don't know, that big single. David Van Veer's got me kind of thinking a little bit different than big single. So I don't know, I might go big single route. Let me go up here and use the restroom real quick and get back to y'all in just a second. Let me tell you, so we riding down the highway. As soon as I turn the camera off, like when we was riding beside each other, let me zoom out. We riding beside each other, I turned the camera off, and as soon as the camera go off, he hit it, right? This car fast as hell. Seb, was you full throttle when you came past us?
When? Which one? Which time?
On 285. It was only one time, after that you fell back.
Not 3-4.
Yo, this car is fast as shit.
Lightweight wheels. Lightweight wheels?
This car fast, I ain't gonna lie. Like in it, the noise that it made, like this is why I'm excited to go turbo. Cause all you heard was that shh, and then it just gone. It was out of here. And see, you was smashing the whole time.
And they're lighter than like.
And then he put you in your place.
He did put me in my place.
That's why I didn't do it.
My thing is
Well, I guess.
See, I ain't making no noise, and I ain't got any kind of speed.
Correct.
I'm not gonna get embarrassed on the highway.
I'm making noise and that's it. I'm just making straight noise. But that shit crazy. Yeah, man.
I had my window down. I was recording, and then when I stopped recording, I had looked at my phone, and that's down.
He's gone. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. So it was like,
you was bullying me when he was calling me.
I didn't know that.
You was trying to bully me. You was like, you ready? 1, 2, 1. You said, yeah. Oh, my bad. I said,
You good, bro.
I was telling him I'm not making no noise and I ain't got no speed, so I wouldn't finna get put in my place. That's why I just hung in the back.
I was like,
And,
you know, I'm playing around with him a little bit.
Joe pulled up on side of me. I looked, I said, why you trying to bully me? You always trying to bully me.
I went right back in my spot, man. But I ain't gonna lie, so that noise really like got me excited about the turbo shit. I ain't gonna lie. Like I like turbo noise, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my guy, Only One Brown Bear now. If y'all hadn't, go subscribe to him too, you know what I'm saying? But Only One Brown Bear, he introduced me to the turbo world. But this is the only car, like, American car I'll be in that's turbo, you know what I'm saying? So
putting it down, he getting it done. It's crazy, like, manual was what? He doing this with automatic manual. He getting that shit. Man, look, I just experienced it.
No, he didn't come out. I don't think he even, did you even come out of the gear?
When you pulled off?
I went fifth. I went third and I skipped fourth.
I ain't know he had switched the gear.
You know it's crazy? Because I was in 8th gear. I'm trying to keep up with him.
That you did to yourself.
I did.
You saw what I did.
Wait, you got 10 of them.
I got 10 of them, yeah. I was only in number 8 and number 9 was on the way.
You could have had 15 of them. It wouldn't have mattered. It wouldn't have mattered.
I'm over here just, come on. I got a diesel truck.
It wouldn't.
Come on, man. This man was fast at that bottle, bro. He over there shifting that thing.
And you kept doing it too. He's like, and I was like, all you saw me do this right here.
He jumped on it.
All right, y'all. So now we are hopping inside the twin turbo Mustang GT. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like I told you, the way this car came past me,
And then send it to you. Yep. Do your thing, bro.
I'm talking about crazy fast. So,
I don't know the view I got, bro.
yes, sir. So, like I said, I got it. I don't. Here's one to drive. I don't know if I want to drive yet because I don't know what this car is like. This is totally different power than what I've ever experienced in my life. You know what I'm saying? So,
You turn it on.
we gonna see. Your GoPro?
Yep.
Yeah, sounds good. And see, that's another thing, y'all. My car makes no noise, so I can't wait to make some noise in my car. But this, like I said, the radio, pretty much, this is exactly the same radio I looked at already. So I think this is a 10.4 or 8.4.
I want to say 10.4.
10.4. So this is what the radio I looked at, and he's a lot of reasons why I looked at that. And he's actually the reason I knew I could do that. Because remember when we met for Mod the Famous thing?
Yeah.
We was at the gas station?
Yeah.
That's when I realized I could do that because I don't really care about the radio I got in my car because even if you went stock OEM touchscreen, it's only $500.
I thought it was like 800. They probably dropped the price.
And I know about that because it's just a 6. You know what I'm saying? He put it in the GT350. So that's how I know about that. Damn, the 85 is strong. I ain't never smelled it. Do they know you don't eat?
Who? Yeah. Everybody knows.
So yeah, you can't help but know. But yeah, I've never smelled E85 so strong on a car before.
So you gonna notice when you got turbos, it's gonna come out the exhaust. Hit a little whistle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So what about them dudes that be having turbos like on the bottom of their car? Would you do that?
Yeah, that's a hidden kit. That's if you want
I definitely have something to do. I don't know if you're a street racer, I feel like that could work in your favor.
Exactly. I drive a Tesla on the daily, so I can save gas and all that other stuff. So I really get real mad when I gotta put gas in it because I don't need to put gas in it.
But see, you don't drive this car often.
Yeah.
You drive a Tesla like every day. So like I said, so you get this car. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it don't feel. If he didn't tell you what this car had going on,
it feel like a normal car.
You feel like a normal car. Like if you didn't know cars, you know what I'm saying? Like you wouldn't know what to expect from the car. You feel like a normal Mustang. It feel like mine. Like when you're in the passenger seat just riding around, but I can tell by the way he came past me, it ain't nothing like mine. So but like I said, this is like kinda like a trial run because I told you I wanna go turbo on my car. So
yeah, it's a good example. So right here is the Engage. Engage tell you everything. It tell you everything that's going on. If I go to gauges, it'll show you. But tuning, you can tune it from here, and you can check your diagnostic from here. So if I go to gauges, and this oil pressure and vacuum gauge. Okay. But right now, if I go here and tell you RPM, right now I gotta set RPMs and airflow ratio. Just you can set it to whatever though, because it got like 100 things you can check.
okay.
So that's so you can know what's going on. Now right here, this is the boost controller.
Okay, so you got 19 right now?
No, I'm at negative 19 because I'm not into boost. So if I'm not on the throttle at all, it's like negative 21.
Okay.
But the more you kind of, we're still at negative. So, but the more you get into it, you see it's gonna go positive. That's when you actually in boost.
Right.
Now, if I hold this, it's gonna go to 8. It's my second level. B. Oh shit. And you see I eased into it too, and it still got sideways.
God damn. So what was that? That was off?
Yeah, that's my lowest. It's like my cruise too. Like the lowest I can really go.
Man. Okay, so what was you driving there earlier when we was riding around?
I don't turn it up, bro.
You
don't really got to. Even when I'm racing, a lot of people like my cruise. I can say this. My cruise setting is set to 750.
Okay.
So a lot of people, there's wheel horsepower.
Yeah.
A lot of people not even seeing that. You know what I mean? So you consider a Hellcat is at 707 to the crank, so technically it's like
610, something like that.
Yeah, something like that to the wheel. Plus it's way heavier.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So even the upgraded Hellcat may get to 700 to the wheel, or even 750. Then you still heavier, and on top of that, the turbo car is gonna keep pulling always.
Right.
So if you got a 750 horsepower supercharger versus 750 horsepower turbo, the turbo car is gonna get it.
Okay.
So it's like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's really not that many people for me to turn it up on, unless I'm racing GTR Joe or something like that.
Right. I'll tell y'all right now, this shit fast as hell, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. God damn. Hey, y'all. I ain't gonna. So your RPMs, how fast are they climbing? Like,
Oh, they you see that shit, like it stop really climbing like that when I get it.
so that's not you short shifting it per se. That's just how fast they.
I'm short shifting a little bit. Yeah, this one like this, one like this.
Damn.
My bad. I ain't mean to have y'all. My bad, Joe.
Bro, this car is. This will be something to really get used to, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Like, if you've never experienced something like that before, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it hit different. Cause it's like you got a couple seconds to where it's like, is he on the gas?
I can show you brake boost. So brake boosting is like it's gonna eliminate that pause that you feel. So if I go, I have to turn around.
I ain't gonna lie, this is great. Kinda wish I'd have got an automatic. I mean, manual. No?
So brake boosting is like say you lining up somebody.
Yeah.
You know, y'all getting to the right, whatever y'all gonna get to. You gonna kind of brake and so right then I wasn't trying to go. It kind of slipped away a little bit.
Yeah.
But it's kind of holding, and as soon as you release, it's ready to go. So it's kind of. I'm trying to. I want to let it go, but it's gonna spin. Like it's wanting to spin.
Yeah, these tires are ball too, y'all. So but it feels so crazy.
Yeah, they doing what they can.
Let me see. So y'all can hear what this thing sound like. It sounds so, and it's not even like it's obnoxiously loud. It just sounds good.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not like,
Like my Z01 is obnoxious. I liked it, but it was obnoxious. I'm gonna be honest. You know what I'm saying? Like this car just sounds good, but that's Mustang. Y'all already know how Mustangs are.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I told him earlier, my original goal was to build the car and sell it. Like, I didn't plan on keeping it, but now that I have one, I like it.
You fell in love with it.
Yeah, I like it. I ain't gonna lie to you. And like I said, it reminds me so much of Mopar with how aggressive it is. Like, stop.
You know where we're going now. You know where we're going now, right? The highway.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to get as much fifth gear as I can. They ain't really giving me too much room.
y'all can sign me up with some turbos, man. Y'all make sure y'all watching every video I post. Okay.
Not to play. I mean, you want to feel a little bit?
Yeah, you feel a little bit.
Nice turn it up. I forgot what it feels. I forgot what it feels like my dad.
Turn it up.
But that's the good part. Cause be honest, no matter how much horsepower you got, you can get tired of a car. You'll get bored of a car. And the way I do my stuff, I kind of stay on low boost and turn it up.
And you don't drive it every day.
Yeah. So I don't ever really get tired of it.
Right. God damn.
Oh,
God damn.
you was all angry, dog.
Yeah, you heard what you was like, oh shit.
It's like you going to a time zone or something.
Damn.
And I really don't have space to do what I want to do. Yeah. It's like this should take you in a time zone or something.
Yeah, it felt like you warping, I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Yeah, it's just, and see, they spool fast, so I get what you're saying too.
That shit just pulled too fast just then, bro.
Damn. So,
oh my god.
so I do want to drive, but like, I don't want to go crazy. I just want to see what it feel like. So that's gonna be a second video. You know what I'm saying? I'm on that today. I'm on that type of time. So, nah, damn, the seatbelt even confused. Let me tell y'all this, and y'all know I've driven the GTR before. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a damn. That all-wheel drive is cool. It's fun. I don't give a damn how much power that GTR got. This right here every day will be addicted. You know what I'm saying? It's rear-wheel drive. It's burning the tires up.
Back to regular just then. I just kind of. This car is dangerous. I'm done. I'm done.
This car is dangerous, bro.
He's just shaking his head like, yeah.
That's all you can do is shake your head. He said 3, 2, 1. Hey, do it on the wait. 3, 2, 1. God, it's a death trap.
But mind you, Joe, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm still holding back a lot. Like, as we driving and stuff, I'm not really redlining crazy. Like, you know, you drive different from when you racing to when you demonstrate. You know what I mean? So if I'm racing, I'm gonna go. Bro, why you looking at me like that, bro? Why you looking at me?
Hey, this is okay. Y'all want me to tell you why I'm so humble? To be honest. Because you got people like this in the world, so I'm not gonna go around talking about like, yeah, my CL1 and all it, and then he be like, oh, okay, for real? Yeah, meet me over here on such and such. And now the guy here getting embarrassed. That's why I stay humble. That because when you humble, you excuse yourself from these kind of things. Like you ain't gotta deal with possibly getting embarrassed. And no, you stay humble, you stay to yourself, and people like this leave you alone. But we're gonna park beside my car. I'm gonna get out, we're gonna switch seats, and that's the end of this video. So y'all like, subscribe, comment, and share. Savage, how you say bye, bro?
Make sure y'all subscribe to this video. Make sure you like to this video and drop a comment. And then come to my channel and do the same thing.
And it's gonna be in the link description below.
Link in the description, Savage Speed TV. Y'all check me out. I appreciate it, man. And I'm gonna tell my followers the same way. So y'all finna meet new people. You know what I mean? So everybody finna meet new people, and that's what it's all about. Just collabing. You know?
Yep, and this shit was tough. So now I'm about to hop in the driver's seat. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.